When it's time for a new vehicle, one of the biggest decisions you'll make is if you should lease or buy. Whether you're dreaming of something new or simply exploring your options, we're here to help you make the right move. At GM Financial, we believe financing your vehicle should fit your life, not the other way around. Let's break down the difference between leasing and buying so you can feel confident about what comes next. When you buy a vehicle, you're paying to own it. Once the contract is paid in full, the vehicle is yours. When you lease a vehicle, you're paying to drive the vehicle for a specific amount of time and miles. Once the lease ends, you either return the vehicle or you have the option to buy it. So, which is better, leasing or buying? That completely depends on you. We're here to help you feel confident in whichever path you choose. When leasing a vehicle, monthly payments are typically lower. You can drive newer models more often. Repairs are often covered by the manufacturer's warranty, and upfront costs may be lower. The end of your lease may also mean you don't own the vehicle, unless you choose to buy out your lease, and fees may apply for going over your mileage or for excess wear. When buying a vehicle, you fully own it once it's paid off. There are no limits on mileage, and you can customize it however you like. Buying your vehicle may also mean a higher monthly payment. You're responsible for additional repairs once the manufacturer's warranty ends, and upfront costs may be higher. Ultimately, the best choice is the one that fits your lifestyle and financial goals. Think about how you use your vehicle and what matters to you most. Whatever you decide, check out our current offers page online before you head to the dealership. You can use our online application to apply to pre-qualify with no impact to your credit. When it's time to manage your account, you can easily access your account details, make payments, message us and more through My Account online or through the GM Financial mobile app. GM Financial is here with tools, support, and perks to make your journey smooth from start to finish. GM Rewards members can redeem their points toward their GM Financial account balance. General Motors Insurance can help protect your vehicle no matter what happens on the road. And our OnStar partnership gives you peace of mind for every drive. Check out our website for more resources to help you make your decision. From your first click to your final payment, we're committed to providing you with a simple and transparent experience. At GM Financial, we're here to support your entire financing journey.